it's great to see everyone that is here today to celebrate some historic landmark cases in our nation's history, especially as it relates to the education and well-being of our children. It is so important that we as citizens remain engaged in policymaking, even with those who don't agree with us on all of the issues, so that we may continue to develop meaningful access and education for all students, regardless of economic background or circumstances. I want to thank Secretary of Education Linda McMahon for being here today and helping us celebrate this important landmark decision. And Moms for Liberty, Alliance Defending Freedom, and Defending Education, who are helping us celebrate today. Over 100 years ago, the Supreme Court's decision in Pierce versus Society of Sisters set a vital precedent in American education. And its ruling protected parents' rights to choose how and where their children would be educated, affirming that parents made that decision, not the state. And that continues to be a topic and an ideal in which we hold true as policymakers and parents and Americans. It is so important that we keep having these discussions and abiding by these prior precedents, because as you see, even today, education, raising responsible children with moral standards has never been more important. Today, we see education evolving rapidly. The needs of students are diverse and complex, and the traditional one-size-fits-all model in public schooling many times will fall short. And families need real choices, and whether that means access to private schools, tutoring, special needs services, or innovative educational technology. Right now, I'm a co-sponsor of a bill called Educational Choice for Children Act. It is a legislation that would implement a federal tax credit scholarship program that empowers parents by helping as many 2 million students across the country access schools and services that best fit their unique needs. We don't want children to be locked into an education just because they live in a certain zip code. Parents need to be able to seek out and find education based on their needs and their circumstances. The ECCA is funded by private donations. It does not use federal spending. And this is being addressed right now in the big, beautiful bill, and we're hoping that the Senate continues to support this. I'm urging all of my colleagues to do so. It should not be an either-or debate between public schools or alternatives. It must be about expanding opportunity for all children. So I am excited here today to celebrate this historic milestone, to stand with some really strong ladies. I promise we invited some men, but we have some really strong moms up here who continue to want to be a part of this discussion, because moving forward, as you can see, the future of not just our children, but indeed the strength of this country is going to depend on the education and the access we provide to them. Today is a great example of how we should all move together in a productive way, talking about these issues, how we can do better and serve our children, expand their access, deliver better education. And that's why me and all these moms up here will keep showing up, having these difficult conversations to make sure education is truly available to all children. Thank you so much.